Hello and welcome to another video about user experience design. I'm Mohammed Hassan. I have more than 15 plus years of experience as a user experience designer, web app, mobile app designer. Now, today's topic is that why my code or my designs are going to load better or faster than other designers. Now, this is a mistake a lot of designers make, that they use different tools like Wix or other tools to create their websites. Now, I'm going to share with you one live example why my websites loads 5 times better, and they are in speed 5 times better than any other designers on the internet. I'm going to share with you one example from this Rachel, how she has a very great following on YouTube, and she is basically a designer, user experience UI designer, and she also develops different landing pages for different companies. She is a great designer, no doubt about it, but when it comes to coding you have to understand. That is why I emphasize that all these website building tools, you should have a proper knowledge or perfect knowledge of HTML, CSS, loading optimization, conversion optimizations, SEO, a little bit of SEO to properly use them. So let me show you what I actually mean. So here is a website she made, ways.ai, and I think she mostly use Webflow for landing pages. Okay, so this has been done mostly, I think, on Webflow. Very, very nicely done page, great colors, content, everything professional, lazy loading, and very nicely done. Great design. Okay, now the problem is, if we go to Google Page Insight and analyze this, it is going to be very, very slow. So this is the problem. So you can see over here, it takes almost 5.1 seconds to load. I think optimal should be below 3 seconds or within 2 seconds, first 2 seconds. So the problem is Core Web Vitals assessment failed. Largest content paid LCP 5.1. So it has major performance issues, loading issues, and you can see over here it performance is 32%. Best practices SEO is great, accessibility is great, but the loading performance, you can see it says 4.0 seconds. So this is too much. So you can see 12.1 second for largest contentful paint. So this shows that this is going to take at least 4 seconds to load on a mobile screen. Similarly, on desktop you can see it is 80 good, it is going to load in 1 second, but on mobile it performs really bad. So now this is my website. This is a single page, a landing page we designed and developed ourselves. Now right now we have converted it to WordPress landing page. Now, if you have any project of WordPress landing pages, feel free to ask me. I'm going to show the email. You can email us prodesign.tech, and now if you run the analysis, you will see the difference. Before on from the Rachel's page, landing page, it was 32, and let me show you this one. It will take some time, so just wait. So this is Rachel, how she shares a lot of tips and all that about becoming a user experience designer, her work, her daily life, and a lot of, she has a lot of great following. Okay, so here are my results. So you can see over here 2.5 second, not bad, but it is on 80% performance, accessibility 85, best practices 92, SEO 85. So you can see this is my website's performance. I think it should be around 70% at least. 80 is good, 70% should be over here. Okay, so here we have, you can see it loads on desktop in 0.5 seconds, and on mobile it takes 2.5 seconds. So this is the difference when you try to code, or when the designers they try to use a tool to develop a website. There might be things that you cannot control. Okay, so I personally think that you should have a good control over all these different things, and this is my tip about how you should design a page or develop a landing page. Landing pages should be speedy, and they should load faster than within 3 seconds. This is my tip. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any projects, you can contact me for landing pages. I enjoy doing those. I enjoy doing web app designs because there are a lot of usability issues on dashboards, SaaS web apps, or any other AI generated web apps. These days you can see most of them. So this is a bye from me right now. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.